that looks nice. Let's make some pizza today on a rotating pizza stone. This video is on how to easily modify your pizza oven with a rotating stone. The motor is driven by just a small power bank, so it's running on 5 volts DC and has very little power consumption. First of all, you need a round stone, a nice and thick one. You get that off of Amazon, and then the stone is supported on this metal sheet here, and this is the motor, which is just held in place with some screws and spacers. The internals of the gearbox of the motor are all metal, so it's pretty heat resistant. The edges of the sheet metal are bent up a little bit, so the stone is held in place, and the flange of the motor is coming with threads, so it's easily mounted on there. The edges of the legs are welded with TIG, so it's a little bit more stable. And this is how you put the blade back on. Just spin in it on the threaded shaft of the motor. And easy as that, we'll have the stone back in. Ready for some testing. I like making 150 grams of dough for each pizza. This is overnight dough. And here's the first one. The oven is heated. And it will be ready in 2 to 3 minutes. And you see a nice even heat distribution due to the rotation. You'll have a nice pizza every time. And the stone is very thick, so it stores the heat pretty good. And this is why the farina here is burning pretty fast all the time. In this case, I think the oven was a little bit too hot, on about 900 degrees Fahrenheit or 500 degrees Celsius. This is also why this one side is a little bit burned. I think it's just too hot. But nevertheless, the motor stays pretty cool with this added fan. You can also just add a 5 volt DC computer fan there. Here you see the temperature gauge is pretty much maxed out. And here we try to make some calzone, which also went a little bit dark, but still, yeah, also started burning a little bit. So that's been it with the video. In case you find that helpful, please feel free to leave a like and some comments, and have a great day.